What's up, guys? It's Gian.
George.
And we're back with another unboxing.
Boxes.
Let's just get right into it. First off is a very special release, friends and family only. People who know Gary Warnett, really prolific writer in the sneaker street culture scene. He passed away last year, and Adidas came together for a limited edition, friends and family only pack, including the Adidas waterproof. As you can see, they got the Gore-Tex on the front. It's a homage to Gore-Tex, of course, and Gary's blog, Warism, is also referenced on the inside of the tongue. That's the Ben Davis logo, which normally has a gorilla. That's been replaced with a Moomin character. So this is definitely a shoe for real heads. In fact, I think only under 50 pairs were made strictly for friends and family, and it is a waterproof shoe. You know, the idea is they didn't want to make a commercial. They wanted to make something to remember and buy. Yeah. And as one of the people that knows an insane amount about sneakers and the stories behind them, there's no better way to commemorate a legend like Gary. So rest in peace to Gary Warnett. Shouts to Chris Law and Adidas Special, Gary Ashton, and that whole team for really making these something that make a huge statement.
Absolutely. Super sick.
Super sick. R.I.P. All right, next up we have some other newness from New Balance's Tokyo Design Studio. Do you know that New Balance is like the hottest shoe in Japan, like market share? Word. So, you know, it makes sense that their leading products will be coming out of the Tokyo Design Studio. They've done the ML 2016, some other forward models. So this is the Reveal Concept 1, the RC1. We got so many new tech features in here. You know, New Balance has made forays into lifestyle with the 247, X90, all these new silhouettes. So the RC1 has a trace fiber, which you can sort of see on the toe box right here, and this really nice knit upper combines hits a nubuck, also on the cage. I mean, I'm feeling these. Yeah, the nubuck's really nice. The mix of materials is really nice. Yeah. This trace fiber on the toe, you see the kind of knit that's on the tongue, and the trace fiber on the toe is like this completely different material that isn't, it's knit, but it's a little tighter. It's like in between sort of a knit material and 3D printing sort of plasticky stuff, but it doesn't feel like super plasticky. Yeah, it feels malleable, flexible. I mean, it's tight. Pretty sick shoe. I can't wait to try these on foot. And of course, you have the absorbed sole. I love what they did here too, because it's sort of like the end cap is still there and they segmented it. And you have like the nice hit. I love how the colors flow on the sole too. Just a little blue pop. I love a nice blue pop. So on the inside, medial side. So yeah. There it is. Stay tuned for these. Stay release tuned for date some and info. Content on Highsnobiety.com. Coming soon. Coming soon. I gotta get like multiple colorways of those for sure. Facts. All right, so Undercover, one of the hottest Japanese brands on the planet right now, and they released a Nike collab, but for people that slept on it, they released 6 different Converse Chuck 70s lows. Dude, it's been raining lately, and these are like almost perfect. Right? But, you know, you're not trying to. It's part of the Fall 18 collection. These actually hit the runway last season, or didn't hit the runway, but they were in the showroom last season for his show. Jun Takahashi bodied these, order disorder, on both sides. That's a recurring theme in the Fall Winter 18 Undercover collection. I love how you got the black toe hits. These came in like white, black, red. But these were the ones. The yellows were it. I saw the yellows in the previews. I was like, that's the one. These are it, Chief. That's the one. So shouts to Undercover. Thanks to Converse for these. Big ups. Now we can finally wear them. Speaking of collabs, Emery Jones, Rock Nation Bigwig. So many collabs. Straight out of Brooklyn, just did a bet on yourself, Puma. So let's check this out. Whoa, this is like an unbagging in an unboxing. Unbagging, unboxing. Unpapering. Yeah, it's the RS100 silhouette, something Puma's been coming in hot with as of late. Ooh. Yo, these are clean. Okay. I like the olive hits on the toe and then the heel, but then the little pink right here on the form stripe. Pink on the stripe, real smooth. Really nice. Is that reflective? No, it's just gray. No, I think it's just like a shinier leather. But yeah, these are dope. But still very tight. It's like that nice old school, new school hit. Yeah, it's like an old school shoe, but it has like kind of like this younger, like fresher like colorway on it. The metallic hit on the tongue too is super sick. And they don't overdo it with the pinks at all, which is really nice. It's nice. Like this is a good fall shoe. Wear these with corduroys, wear these with jeans. Ooh, do it up. So congrats to Emery Jones for those. Thanks to Puma for sending those over. Now, we got some heat that you haven't seen yet. Wow. Releasing next week. Exclusive. One of my favorite brands, one of George's favorite brands too. Wow.
I think it's like
Noah,
everyone's favorite brands.
releasing several Vans. They actually have a Skate High Decon, which is like a deconstructed version of the Skate High. And these Chukkas with like the monk strap buckle. Yeah. What are these called? These are the Chukka MS. So these are dropping next week from Noah.
That probably literally means Chukka Moxel, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Monk strap.
Yeah. Monk strap.
Chukka monk strap. Classic menswear design detail, but at the same time, super appropriate for casual wear. They have the Noah Templar cross on the heel right there, Noah branding.
Suede is super, super buttery.
Suede is buttery. They come in this blue. They have an all black version, and then the Skate Highs come in a gingham and all over Jolly Roger pirate print.
But this blue suede
These pop.
fire.
You can wear these with a suit. I have a Noah suit that I'm gonna rock these with.
Ooh,
So,
you know when these are coming out? What's up with these?
I think they're coming out next week.
Already?
Yeah,
Wow,
so
stay tuned.
Stay tuned. They're gonna be
Stay tuned.
super affordable and fire. They might not last long. Last but not least,
I'm really salty about these. I'm not gonna lie.
George hates me because I have
really
these.
salty.
Thank you to Undefeated for these joints.
Man.
So, just bringing it back. Oldie, but still a goodie. Super, super rare. Friends and family Nike Protro 8s.
Kobe 1, what's up? It's the Kobe Protro 1, what's up here? They kind of took the OG.
Did I say 8?
Yeah, you said the Kobe 8. I was like, huh? I'm
Protro 1s.
I mean,
Protro 1s.
I'm rocking it, but...
Sorry, I'm dyslexic this morning. But, you know.
They updated the original Nike Kobe 1 with like carbon fiber. They made it lighter, and this
the
Undefeated
Velcro
stuff
tongue
has been crazy.
Yeah.
With the other colorways that they've been dropping, this one's fire. They've had like all the player PEs with the different camos, but these with the buttery green suede.
Yeah, and the way that this color calls back to the original Undefeated Jordan collab, which might be retroing soon. You didn't hear it from us though, but
wow, how do you feel about that though?
I mean, I'm gonna wear, I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear the 4s.
You might put orange laces on these though.
Definitely orange laces.
Break it up a little bit.
Get the MA1 feeling,
Patches are sick, man.
Yeah.
This is.
These are dope. You
this
take
is
these
shoe.
off. It says 24, of course.
This is a shoe. Does the other one say 8? That'd be tight. Ooh, it does.
There we go.
Hey, we called it. What's up? Bam.
Shouts to Undefeated for these. And stay tuned for more unboxing goodness while George just continues to drool all over my shoes. Thanks to Undefeated. Thanks for watching.